Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how to turn on Facebook dark mode in 2026. Okay, let's go for tutorial video. Step 1, open Facebook and click your profile and click setting. After menu setting, scroll down, click dark mode option. After click dark mode option, use system setting if you are click here if you have dark mode enabled on your system. Click your option on. Click here if you haven't dark mode enabled on your system. I select on. Very easy. My Facebook theme is dark. Very easy. The setting have been successful updated. Okay, please like the video and subscribe Nice Tech channel for other tutorial video. Good luck.